Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete your Gmail account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Gmail account, guys, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account which you want to delete. And with that being said, guys, after opening your Gmail app, in this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon or your profile picture. The top right over here in the circle where I'm tapping, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Now you can see that the Google account button available for us on the login on the account which you're logged in on your phone. Tap on the Google account button over here and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to proceed to delete your Gmail account, you can see there is the personal info and the data and privacy over here. Guys, will be required to tap on the data and privacy over here. Tap on data and privacy and this kind of interface will appear. Now we'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, where you can see, guys, after we have scrolled down to the bottom of the screen on the data and privacy section, there is a delete your Google account option available for us, where it says delete your entire account and data. Tap on delete your Google account, and when this appears, guys, confirm your confirmation, either it's a passkey or a code. And after confirming, guys, you will be on this interface where it says you will be required to read all of this information provided by the Gmail. So it says, guys, please read this carefully, it's not the usual yada yada. And with that being said, guys, go through all of these informations on this interface, and when you land on the bottom of the screen, there are two acknowledgements which you will be required to accept. To accept it, guys, tap on the empty box at the right side of these acknowledgements and the tick mark will appear, and there is the delete account button available for us at the bottom right corner. After doing that, tap on the delete account and follow the necessary procedure, and your account will be deleted momentarily on Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete your Gmail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.